Good morning, friends. General Science, Class 8, Chapter 8, Pollution, Part 11. What is water pollution? Friends, today water pollution is problem of whole world. Friends, in this part we see what is water pollution, reasons of water pollution and effects of water pollution. This part is very useful for all the competitive exams like M.Sc, UPSC, FTI and PSI. Generally, this topic is present in syllabus of all classes. So, this part is very useful for all the students learning from class 5 to 12. The proportion of water on the surface of earth is 71% as compared to the total area of earth's surface. Out of total available water, 97% water is salty and only 3% water is fresh. Water is natural resources and it is available in abundance in nature. Water is most essential substance in our day-to-day life. We can't imagine the existence of life on the earth without water. The existence of aquatic animals is only because of water. Plants and animals also need water for their existence and growth. We also need water to grow our food and to cook it. Hence, water is very important for all living things. Thus, water is called as life. Friends, water that is free of disease-producing microbes and harmful chemicals to human health is supposed to be drinking water. But today, most of the water is polluted. What is water pollution? Friends, now we see some definition of water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water by addition of some substances which make the water unusable for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and swimming, or whenever harmful substances such as soil, salts, sewage, and toxic chemicals are mixed in water and changes the color and taste of water. This is called as water pollution, or water is said to be polluted when it becomes unclean and poisonous due to mixing of natural or artificial unwanted material, when it becomes harmful to living organisms due to decrease of oxygen content. Epidemic diseases are spread through polluted water. Water pollutants. Friends, now we see what are water pollutants. The substances which pollute water are called as water pollutants. Generally, water is polluted by three reasons. There are three types of water pollutants. These are number 1, biological pollutants, number 2, inorganic pollutants, number 3, organic pollutants. Now let's see all these pollutants one by one. Number 1, biological pollutants. Water is polluted due to biological pollutants like algae, bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Diseases are spread due to biological pollutants. Number 2, inorganic pollutants. Water is polluted due to fine sand, dust, soil, salts, compounds of arsenic, cadmium, lead, mercury, and traces of radioactive material. Number 3, organic pollutants. water is polluted due to organic pollutants like weedicides, insecticides, fertilizers, sewage, and industrial effluents. Friends, now we see reason for water pollution. Water is mainly polluted by two reasons. These are natural and man-made reasons for water pollution. Friends, first we see various natural reasons for water pollution. Natural reasons for water pollution. Number 1. Growth of aquatic weeds. Friends, water is mainly polluted due to growth of aquatic weeds like Jalaparni in water. It causes depletion in oxygen level in water. It changes natural properties of water. Number 2. Decomposing matter. Water is polluted due to addition of decomposing parts of plants and animals. Number 3. Mud and soil erosion. Water is polluted due to addition of soil, biotic and abiotic factors in river water. Number 4. Microbes like fungi and bacteria. Microbes like fungi and bacteria are grows on organic matter decaying in water, which pollutes the water. Number 5. Algae. The excessive growth of algae in water pollutes the water. Nematodes in water also pollutes the water. Friends, now we see man-made reason for water pollution. Man-made reason for water pollution. Number 1. Domestic sewage. Domestic sewage from villages and cities is disposed of in river water. This causes water pollution. Number 2. Industrial effluents. Various pigments, bleaching chemicals, leather pieces, fiber, mercury, lead are released in water from different factories. In this way, water is polluted from industrial effluents. Large number of tanning centers are present in Tamil Nadu. Wastewater is relieved in Palla river from these centers. So this river is totally polluted. Hence, this river is referred as Pazzar or Gata river. Number 3. During transportation of oil and cleaning of tanker oil spills. This oil mixed with rainwater and causes pollution of water reservoirs. Number 4. Fertilizers and pesticides. The chemical fertilizers and pesticides used in agriculture flows and mix with rainwater and causes water pollution of water reservoirs. Number 5. Other reasons for water pollution. Disposal of human waste, washing of clothes, disposal of body parts, disposal of body ash, and addition of floral offerings to God in water causes water pollution. The addition of thermal power plant water and ash in river also causes water pollution. Friends, now we see effects of water pollution. The effects of water pollution are classified into three categories. These are: number 1. Effects of water pollution on humans. Number 2. Effects of water pollution on ecosystem. Number 3. Other effects of water pollution. Number 1. Effects of water pollution on humans. Diseases like hepatitis, typhoid, diseases of skin and alimentary canal, are spread due to polluted water. A disorder of liver, kidney, brain are produced due to polluted water. Hypertension and deformities in bones are produced due to prolonged drinking of polluted water. Number 2. Effects of water pollution on aquatic ecosystem. Number 1. Plant growth are retarded due to water pollution. Number 2. Plant species are lost due to water pollution. Number 3. Salt content of water is increased due to water pollution. Number 4. The dissolved oxygen level of water is decreased due to water pollution. Number 5. The death of aquatic animals are take place due to water pollution. Number 3. Other effects of water pollution. Number 1. The physical and chemical properties of water are changes due to water pollution. Number 2. The natural color and taste of water are changes due to water pollution. Number 3. The useful aquatic fauna is destroyed due to water pollution. Number 4. By using polluted water for agriculture, the fertility of soil is decreased. This lead into addition of toxic materials in crops. Thank you very much.